Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2008 Kawasaki ZX-10R. This is the superbike. Beautiful condition, metallic black finish, awesome sounding Two Brothers, Black Series exhaust, fender eliminator, 28,000 miles on this gorgeous superbike. Price to sell at just $54.99. It's got frame sliders. Make your superbike dreams come true. This awesome ZX-10R. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.